Most people think streaming automatically includes local channels. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. In reality, some streaming services give you local ABC, NBC, Fox, and CBS stations, while others give you absolutely nothing. And if you pick the wrong service, you could miss NFL games, local news, weather alerts, and major live events without realizing it until after you subscribe. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to watch local channels on a streaming service in 2026, which services work best, the cheapest setup possible, and one trick that can save you a lot of money every month. So let's get straight into it. First, you need to understand something important. Local channels are based on your location. That means the channels available in New York may be different from the ones available in Texas or California. Streaming services use your zip code and internet location to decide which local stations you can access. This is where most people fail. They assume every streaming app works the same nationwide. It doesn't. For example, Jake signs up for a streaming service expecting his local Fox station for NFL games. But his area doesn't have a streaming agreement for that station. Suddenly, he can't watch the game he wanted. So before subscribing to anything, always check local channel availability using your zip code. Now here's where it gets interesting. There are actually 3 main ways to watch local channels without cable in 2026. The first method is live TV streaming services. The second method is using a digital antenna. And the third method is combining both together for the best value. Let's start with streaming services because this is what most people search for. Services like YouTube TV, Hulu Live TV, Fubo TV, and DirecTV Stream usually include many local channels in major cities. That means you can often get ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox directly through the app. This setup feels very similar to cable. You open the app and watch live local TV instantly. But here's the problem. These services are expensive now. Most major live TV platforms cost somewhere between $70 and $100 monthly in 2026, once taxes and upgrades are included. That's why many people start looking for cheaper alternatives. Now in a minute, I'll show you the lowest cost method that still gives you local channels legally and reliably. But first, let's compare the major streaming services quickly. YouTube TV is popular because it has strong local coverage in many areas, plus unlimited DVR. Hulu Live TV combines local channels with Hulu's on-demand library and Disney Bundle access. Fubo TV is especially popular among sports fans because of its sports-heavy lineup. DirecTV Stream often includes regional sports networks in some markets where competitors don't. Now here's where things get really important. Not every service includes every local station. For example, one service may offer NBC and Fox in your city, but not CBS. Another service may have all 4 major networks. That's why zip code checking matters so much. And honestly, people skip this step constantly. Now let's talk about antennas because this is the hidden secret many cord cutters discover later. A digital antenna lets you watch local channels completely free over the air. No subscription. No monthly bill. No streaming login. You connect the antenna to your TV, scan for channels, and start watching. And surprisingly, the picture quality is often excellent because it's direct broadcast TV. For example, Alex lives near a major city. He buys a simple indoor antenna once, gets local ABC, NBC, Fox, PBS, and CBS channels free forever, then combines that with Netflix for entertainment. His monthly cost drops dramatically. Now here's the problem with antennas. Results depend heavily on location. If you live close to broadcast towers, antennas work great. If you live far away or in difficult terrain areas, reception may be weaker. But here's where it gets interesting. Many people combine antennas with cheaper streaming services like Philo or Sling TV. This setup is honestly one of the smartest budget combinations in 2026. The antenna handles local channels. The streaming service handles entertainment and cable networks. Together, the experience feels close to cable without the huge bill. Now let's answer another big question. Can you watch local channels completely free online? Sometimes, yes. Some local news stations stream free broadcasts through their apps or websites. Apps like Pluto TV, Tubi and Amazon Freevee also include certain local news feeds in some regions. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Free streaming local coverage is inconsistent. One city may have excellent free news streams while another barely has anything. That's why relying only on free apps can feel unreliable for major events or sports. Now let's talk about sports because this is where local channels matter most for many viewers. NFL games often air on Fox or CBS. Sunday night, football airs on NBC. Major college games appear on local broadcast channels too. So if you lose access to local networks, you may lose access to huge sports events. This is exactly why many sports fans either keep a live TV streaming service or use an antenna. And honestly, antennas are underrated for sports viewing. No buffering. No internet lag. Just direct live television. Now here's where most people overspend. They buy giant streaming packages, mainly for local channels, even though an antenna could solve the problem for free. This is why understanding your actual viewing habits matters so much. For example, John mainly wants local news and NFL games. He doesn't care about dozens of cable channels. In his case, an antenna plus one cheap streaming app works perfectly. But Sarah wants Bravo, ESPN, local channels, and cable news all inside one interface. She's probably better off paying for YouTube TV or Hulu Live TV. Different viewers need different setups. Now let's talk about internet speed because streaming local channels still depends heavily on your connection. If your Wi-Fi struggles, live streaming can buffer during peak hours. This becomes especially frustrating during sports events. This is where antennas quietly outperform streaming. Broadcast TV doesn't depend on internet bandwidth at all. So if your internet drops during a storm, antenna TV often still works. That reliability matters more than people realize. Now here's another important detail. Some streaming services limit local access when traveling. For example, if you leave your home city, your local channel lineup may temporarily change, based on your location. This confuses people all the time. They travel for work, open the app, and suddenly see different stations. That's normal behavior for many live TV services. Now let's quickly answer the easiest setup for most people in 2026. If you want the simplest experience and don't mind paying more, choose YouTube TV or Hulu Live TV. If you want the cheapest reliable setup, combine an antenna with a lower-cost streaming service. And if you only care about local news and sports occasionally, an antenna alone may honestly be enough. So here's the biggest takeaway from this video. Watching local channels without cable is absolutely possible in 2026. But the smartest setup depends entirely on your budget, location, sports habits, and viewing style. Remember these 3 things. Always check local channel availability before subscribing. Don't underestimate how powerful a cheap antenna can be. And avoid paying for giant streaming bundles if you only need a few local stations. That alone can save you a surprising amount of money every year. Hopefully, this guide helped you figure out the best way to watch local channels on a streaming service. If it did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the streaming setup you're currently using in 2026.